So, are you recording right now?
No. Yeah.
Dang it. So now we're just going to sew this as close to the original hemline as possible. So, one more time. There you go. Alright. Which way does it go? That way?
It'll be this back way.
Okay. I thought so.
Is yours like that?
Yeah. I'm scared.
Me too.
But we can always take it out.
Scared together. Not for you, for my sewing machine.
I can't sew straight.
Did you catch that on video? Still on video. Now you're on video.
Can you cut that out?